In this segment, we will show how to use the secondary USB port. The secondary USB port is for thumb drives with jobs loaded on them. These jobs are then accessed through the control panel and then processed or cut by selecting the job. This secondary USB port is really ideal for shops that have their cutters in another part of the building where connectivity through a cable is restrictive or impossible. We'll be using Cutting Master 4 in this segment, although these steps can be followed using GraphTech Studio and GraphTech Studio Plus. The way this works is that once a design is ready to be cut, instead of clicking on Send, click Save to File. This will open a window asking where we want to save the plot file and the name of the plot file. Once the file is sent, remove the thumb drive from the computer and insert it into the secondary USB port on the back of the unit. Then from the control panel, press the pause menu key, followed by the right arrow key for link, and then the 2 key to access the files on the thumb drive. When the list of files on the thumb drive appears, we can use the arrow keys to locate the file to cut. Once it is highlighted, pressing Enter will then process the job.